Hi guys! Today we will talk about how to change page title on Shopify. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your store, and once you will be there, you will see the same interface like me. From here, take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options like home orders, products, customer, and much more. But from these, you have to tap on the icon Online Store. Once you will click Online Store. Below, you will see 3 more options: theme, pages, preference. From these, click on the option pages. Once you will click on the option pages, all of your pages which you have on your Shopify store will appear. You can also add a new page by clicking on the option Add Page, and then you can add your page. But, we want to change the title, and here you can see I have this page. So in order to change the title, I need to click on it. Once I will click on it, on the top, you can see the title of my page. So just for showing you, I will add, and you can see I only write this now. In order to save, tap on the option Save. You can see the page title has been changed. Let me go back, and you can see the page title has been saved, and that's it.